Are your headphones working only after restarting Windows Computer? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If your headphones work only after restarting your Windows computer, this video will help you fix this issue. This issue can occur due to outdated audio drivers, faulty USB ports, or other factors. You may also experience this issue when the Windows audio service is not properly working. Let's get started. Method 1. Run the audio troubleshooter. The first step you should do is run the audio troubleshooter by using the Get Help app. This is a built-in tool that helps to identify audio-related problems. Follow these steps. Open Windows Search and type Get Help. Select the Get Help app from the search results. When the Get Help app appears on your screen, click on its search bar and type Audio Troubleshooter. Hit Enter. Click Yes to start the audio troubleshooter. Method 2. Set your speaker as a default device. The next thing you can do is set your speakers as a default device. To do so, follow these steps. Open the control panel by typing in the Windows search bar, click on Sound. Tap on the Playback tab. Right-click the speakers and click Enable. Right-click again and set as default device. Now right-click on speakers to select Properties. Tap on the Levels tab, then drag the volume slider towards the largest value. Click on the Advanced tab and uncheck the box to allow application to take exclusive controls on this device. Under the exclusive mode, click on Apply and then OK. Method 3. Disable audio enhancements. Sometimes the audio enhancements feature can cause issues with some audio devices such as headphones. To confirm whether this is the case with you, disable the feature. Open Control Panel, type Sound in the Control Panel search bar and click Sound. The Sound Properties window will appear. Double-click on your speakers to open its properties. Click on the Advanced tab and uncheck the Enable Audio Enhancement box. Click Apply and then click OK. Check if the issue persists. Method 4. Check the status of the required services. Windows Audio Service manage audio on Windows computers. If the service is stopped, audio device and sound effects will not function properly. So check the status of the required audio services. To check this, follow these steps. Press the Win+R key to run the dialog box and type services.msc. Scroll down and locate the Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services. If these services are stopped, right-click on them and select Start. If they are already running, right-click on them and select Restart. Now right-click on them one by one and select Properties. Under the General tab, select Automatic in the Startup Type drop-down. Click Apply and then click OK. You should also check the status of other audio services depending on your laptop or PC manufacturer. Method 5. Disable and re-enable the audio driver. The Realtek High Definition Audio Driver helps the Windows operating system to communicate with audio devices and sound cards. The problem you are experiencing might be due to an issue with the Realtek High Definition Audio Driver. Disable and re-enable this driver and see if this helps. Go to the Device Manager, expand the sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click on the Realtek High Definition Audio Driver and select Disable Device. Wait for a few minutes, then right-click on the driver and select Enable Device. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall the audio driver. An outdated audio driver can cause a sound problem. Make sure your audio driver is up to date. However, before you proceed with updating your audio driver, uninstall your existing audio driver. To do so, follow these steps. Go to the Device Manager, expand the sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click on your audio driver and click on Uninstall Device. After successfully uninstalling the audio driver, download the latest audio driver from the manufacturer's website. Once you download the latest audio driver, install it on your PC and check if it makes any changes. Method 7. Update the BIOS. Next, you can check for BIOS updates. Before updating the BIOS, you need to check the version of the BIOS from the system information or command prompt. If an update is available, install it. You can download the latest BIOS update from your computer manufacturer's official website. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.